What we're gonna do is we're gonna remove these broken bricks. We're gonna replace them with new brick, just as the original house has. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure that the mortar matches and the mortar joints are evened out. That way you don't have a real fat mortar joint in one area. That'll make it stand out also. A lot of times people try to patch up the brick. Another thing too, if they don't match the mortar, it's just gonna put a highlighter on it. Our goal is to always make the house look like it wasn't repaired. What we're gonna do is we're gonna remove not just the broken ones, but these other two right here, where we'll be able to shift this one over a little bit and leave that one there. So what we're basically gonna do is we're gonna be evening out these two mortar joints. That way you don't just have one huge mortar joint right here. Originally this house was just straight gray mortar. What we're gonna do is we're gonna blend white mortar with gray mortar so we can get that lighter shaded gray. And then what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to slowly add some buff dye to it to be able to get it that tone. So it's gonna be a slow process. We'll dry the mortar to make sure that it matches, and then we'll compare it to the wall, and then we'll go in with it. Step one's gonna be to remove the broken bricks. This brick is older. We're fortunate that we're able to still find these originals. On the other houses, when the bricks are discontinued, we have a brickyard that we keep discontinued brick, but we also look around and get a really close match. That way the repair doesn't look like it's been patched up. Our goal is to make sure that the bricks match and then the mortar matches. Once you have that accomplished, the repair is going to be seamless. On this side of the house, there's a perfect example of a repair that a homeowner or a handyman did. What they did is they put some kind of caulking over the crack and over the brick. As you can see, it stands out. What we're gonna do is we're gonna grind into those mortar joints, grind out that caulking that they put in there, and replace those broken bricks. That way when it's done, the house actually looks like it was original and not repaired. But this is a perfect example of what the homeowners or somebody who doesn't know what they're doing are patching up the house. He's gonna add some mortar dye to the mortar to be able to get that weathered look into the mortar. And even on that, we're real specific of the amounts that we put in there, because our mortars aren't pre-mixed from where you just purchase it and add water to it. What it is actual masonry cement and sand. So we're also controlling the strength of it by making the ratio of sand to the cement less. So we're not adding so much sand to where it makes it weak. So through the process that we've used is we'll make the mortar stronger by adding more of the cement. But what other people do is they'll go get a bag from Home Depot, and then that's why it never matches, because they're just getting a pre-mixed bag. And we're gonna be making it basically from scratch, just like when you're doing a brand new build. Now he's getting to the final stages of mixing the mortar. Even though that we've showed you the process of it, it's really hard to do. I could go online and look up how to clean out a wound and how to stitch it, but that doesn't mean that I'm going to be able to do it. You've got to be able to have experience doing what you're doing. What he's doing now, he's removing the broken brick, and now he's using a hammer drill to actually remove them completely out of the wall. So now you'll have a void for the new brick to go into. We're having to make cuts because they didn't leave any room above the arch to the trim boards. We've got to make cuts so we can be able to lay the brick up here. Normally this is lower. Believe it or not, Eric, we're going to need 2 more thinner ones than this. That one's for that one. Well, we're done with the project. We've been here 4 hours. We got all of the cracks ground out. We replaced broken bricks. Now, when we leave, we make sure that the house looks like we were never here.